sitting in a 2010 Jeep Wrangler. We're going to be doing a spare non-remote key. This vehicle is not equipped with power door locks. So we're going to read the pin and program the key. Here we go. Diagnostics, North America, Jeep, Wrangler. There's our pin, 0057. Back out 3 screens. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. The pin will be stored right there. Hit OK. There's the programming chime. Stuff light on the top right. And it's out. Take the key out. Right here. Put the key in. Turns it on. There's our security indicator. Security indicator's out. And we're done.